Hello everyone. Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this newspaper, the daily newspaper on Wednesday, July the 6th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix, the binary, and the medium Sudoku. Three regular puzzles. But we have also an additional in this newspaper with extra puzzles. But first I will solve this medium Sudoku number. This will be number 4807. By the way, news of today, yes, it's day number 133. 133 days ago, the war started in Ukraine. Yeah, number 133. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. So let's get started. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 box. So 1 box left for the 4. It should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in that row, so no 7 here. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Then we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 8, the 9, and the 6. We have an 8, 9, and 6 in this column. So no 8, 9, and 6 in these 2 boxes. The 8, 9, and 6 goes in those 3 boxes. 8, 9, and 6. Okay, so what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, we have a pair, the 4 and the 6 in the first row, the 4 and the 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Alright. Then 3. How about the 4 in the last row, the 4 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Well. 2, 2. Okay. 7 in this third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the row above, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in this row above, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3, 9. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 9 and the 6, the 9 and the 6. That means we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. We need two numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 and 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Can I count the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 7. Alright. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Alright. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here 5 in this row, last row, so no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. 1, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And then 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more, that box should be 6, and this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then let me see. 3. How about 1, 5? Okay, 8. Yeah, 8. I'm thinking 3, 2, the 7, 4. Yeah, we have a pair. Look. 4 and a 5 in this row, 4 and a 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. But we have also a 4 and a 5 in the first column, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Alright. So 2 numbers left now. In the middle row, for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Well, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. 4 and 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Here 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. Alright. Then 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, middle row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The final 2 numbers. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the third regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.